Hello everyone, this is Fawaz from Australia Unwrapped.com. This video is about photographers, that how shutter settings decide the quality of the required photograph. When whatever camera is in your hand, your photography will only improve if you know how to use the camera in the best possible way. The first camera control that will be discussed for you is shutter setting, a mechanical device on a digital camera that opens for a particular period of time to allow certain level of light into the camera through lens is called shutter. Many models of digital camera have an automatic setting that decide the shutter speed, also called exposure time. The manual adjustments done in the shutter speed are helpful in improving options for more artistic results. If you are a beginner in the field of photography, then the terms shutter speed and aperture may be confusing, but you need to know that getting perfect relationship between the two is secret for producing various best effects in photographs clicked. But in low light conditions, you have to optimize for lower shutter speed so that moving objects get blurred. In such a situation of long exposure, shutter remains open for longer time to allow more light into the camera. The risk of blurring increases when low shutter speed is used, so extra care must be taken to keep the camera as steady as possible. For further details, click the link below and hit the like and subscribe button. Make sure to comment below. See you down there. Bye.